Okay, so for today's core set, we're doing 3 roll-ups, dead bug, bird dog, and then we'll wrap up with a little child's pose stretch at the end. So to start the roll-ups, go ahead and put your arms overhead. Keep that core engaged, those legs glued to the mat, and then just carefully roll up, nice and controlled, reaching for those toes. Stable base, nice and controlled, keep the leg glued to the mat, roll back down, nice and slow. Breath here, come on up for the second breath. Here, go ahead and grab those toes if you can to give yourself a little stretch. Stretch the back of the legs, it feels really good after a cardio set. Third and final rep. Come up, nice and controlled. Again, try to keep those shoulders from scrunching up towards the ears if you can. Give yourself a stretch here. Come down nice and slow. Move into dead bug. I usually do this with a stability ball in the studio. I don't have one here right now, so we're going to go in the tabletop and put our arms overhead. And we're going to extend opposite leg, opposite arm, really keep that core engaged, that glute engaged. Try to reach out with those legs and use your abdominal muscles to pull your legs back in and your arm back to starting position. And we're doing 6 reps on each side here. With this one, you need to rush it. Sometimes we want to rush it because we want it to be over with, but it's more effective when you keep it controlled. Alright, here, go ahead and hug your knees for a nice stretch, rock side to side, give your back a little massage here. Go on to all fours and move into bird dog. Alright, so here we're going to extend opposite arm, opposite leg, and we're going for 6 reps on, we're going to go for isometric hold first and then 6 crunches. So we'll hold it here for about 8 to 10 seconds. Really reach that leg out, engage the glute, push the arm out, and hold it for the crunches. Alright, now we're going to switch sides. Again, extend opposite arm, opposite leg. Engage that glute, stabilize the core, reach. And then get ready to start your crunches. Again, we're going for 6. Up with a little child's pose stretch. It feels so good to do this at the end of this set. Alright, good job, good job.